It's Wednesday morning, locking down some profit yet again today, looking for more opportunities, but I'm going to show you guys what my thought process was here at open, what I'm looking at. I'm actually looking at a new indicator right now, kind of testing it out, seeing if there's actually value there or not here on the Optimus Flow platform. I'll share with you guys that indicator very soon, but until then, you'll just have to take my word for it. It's what I'm using, and it's kind of what I'm testing out. And if I see the value, then I'll share it with you guys. But right now, let's just take a look at this trade that I made this morning. I was looking at the NQs, the MNQ with the NASDAQ, and then I saw a better opportunity on the MES, so I switched back to the MES, made a trade this morning, capturing 10 handles, and I'm going to talk about kind of what my entry, and I'm going to show you guys my entry, show you guys my thought process, my overall idea behind the trade, trading futures this morning. I'm going to break it all down for you guys live in this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. We're getting ready to go into market open here. It's Wednesday, and we're kind of at an area where I just don't know the exact direction because we're right in the no man's land. I think we'll probably get a push up here, thinking probably like looking to push up into this area here in the 640 area. But right now, just kind of waiting. We're actually trading the NQ, the MNQ today. So this is the NASDAQ. Been some pretty big moves in the NASDAQ recently. So looking for a push above kind of this 83, 84 area. If we can't get above there, and then we'll look for a pullback back down here to the 500s. So right now, you can see 74. Market is now open. Trying to push up there a little bit. Seeing where we can go if we're going to get this push higher. It's looking like there's a lot of steam, losing a lot of steam here today. Yesterday or last night after hours, just kind of bouncing around in this area here last night in this channel, like right here. So no point in really touching it until we get a clear kind of decision which way this wants to go. So we'll give a little bit of time here. First minute of the day, just kind of battling. You can see just really tight for an opening range here from the 68s up to the 78s. You know, really just kind of battling here between the bears and the bulls, trying to figure out which way they want to go here. So no point in doing anything silly just yet. We'll see if we can get a clear direction break here. All right, so NASDAQ showing some strength here, pushing above that resistance there at the 80s. Now we're going to be looking for this kind of overall trend to kind of form, a little bit of a pullback here to jump in if we can retest this 80 area, and then look for a push up here to the 640, 650 area if this thing really wants to get going today. Switching over here to the MES again from the NQ there, thinking that this is going to give us maybe another little better pullback here, dip. Having some problem with my screen recording this morning. I'm not sure what's going on. You can see right now I got one contract there from the 149s, looking for a push up here to the 160s today. Gonna let this one ride a little bit, push up there. Only got one contract, just really trying to capitalize off of some of these moves, trying to put a little less skin in the game and let these moves kind of really, look for 10, 20 handle moves with limited risk, just to, really try to capitalize off of some of this overall momentum here. Been messing around as well with some different indicators, trying some stuff out this week. Again, that's kind of why I'm messing around with the smaller size, trying to let these indicators figure out which way they want to go and then riding these trends. And I'll make a video talking about what indicator I'm looking at right now and all that behind me. But right now, still looking for that push up there to the 316s up here. Basically, kind of like, we'll say this area for a profit target here. So basically, just like that, into this kind of area here for a profit target as we broke above that resistance there. Now looking to trend up into that previous resistance there at the 160s. Now we're pushing up there, 57's pushing up there. The high of this candle, 57.25, still looking for that 160 push here. I think it's very, very doable today. So that's kind of why I'm just sitting back here and patiently looking for the opportunity to come and looking for this move to continue to squeeze through that resistance overnight. Like I said, it's kind of choppiness going on overnight here on futures. So looking to see if this is going to finally want to push up there to the 60s after getting that breakout. There we go, getting that push up there to the 159. Come on, baby. Let's go all the way through this. 159.50 the high there. Looking for this push over 160 now. It's coming. Let's get it. Looking for this push. 160s. Come on. Let's go. Getting a full 10 handles already here. Looking for this squeeze above 60s. 160, 160. Coming 160. Let's do it right here, right now. Tap, tap, tap-a-rooney. Getting stuck there. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Pushing above 160 here. Let's push. Push. I'm going to sell right there at the 59.25 as just getting stuck there multiple times. It's probably going to push through here now, but I'm going to lock that down. $50 in profit there. 10 handles on that one contract. And then wait for this to cool down a little bit. Looking a little overextended right now, wouldn't you say? Wouldn't you say? Up to the 160s now. So the high of this candle, 160 the high. So beautiful entry there from the 49s, getting that breakout like we talked about. Up there to the 160s. If we zoom out, bigger picture here. Let's look at that. Looking at the bigger picture here. You can see that channel that we talked about earlier. Getting the breakout up to that 160 area target that we were looking for. And, yeah, bang, bang, bang. Got the little breakout. Boom, up there to the 160s. And right now, I'm just kind of wait a little bit. Looking a little just overextended here. Especially, look at this move here. This is on the 15-minute chart. It's just been green, green, green for quite some time. So looking for a bit of a pullback to kind of retest this previous resistance is what I would like to see. Although the market sometimes likes to get a little bit crazier, which you can still see we've got a little bit of room there probably till the 165 area. So over 165, this might want to push up a little bit more, but we'll kind of wait. But still, get a nice little tap of that 160 area, 160.25, the high now on this 15-minute candle there. So locking down some profit here. And you can see 160.75, push up there again. This thing doesn't want to stop. Still got a minute left on this candle. We nailed the entry there. We just, yeah, I mean, pretty good overall. 10 handles on the out as well. So, like I said, I'm going to wait for my indicator that I'm looking at right here. I'm going to wait for this indicator to kind of figure out which way it wants to go before jumping in here again and look for another 10, 20 handle move today. And we'll see if this wants to push up and get a little overextended here. Maybe push up to the 170s again. I don't know. I feel like 170s could be in play today. Kind of get up in this area and see from there. You can see this 170, 180 area resistance. So we got this resistance kind of right there, that 175, 180 area. So if this does push up there, we'll expect a bit of a pullback if it can't break through, as that's been kind of lurking or holding. You can see this overall trend right now. This is kind of the channel that we're in, heading down. A lot of people kind of expecting a little fill of this gap there at the 120s. So there's a good short opportunity setting up. We just got to wait for that opportunity to arise and really kind of figure out if this is the top before jumping in here. I don't want to just get short just because I think that it's the top. Like I said, see if my new indicator can identify when we finally reach the top here. But overall, nice little opportunity from the 150s there. Now 150s up there to the 160s, taking profit. So let's see what happens later on today. If this thing really wants to push. You can see right now a little bit of a pullback there. So I might have taken profit at a good time. We'll see. You'll see what happens. Literally just, it's went ding, 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 trying to push higher there. So we'll give it a little bit of time today. Like I said, I'm going to wait and see which way this indicator, really want to wait for this indicator to set up and give me a really beautiful entry here. And we'll see, kind of testing out this indicator and seeing if I see value in it. If I see value in it, if I think that it actually does give me good information for my entries and my exits, well, then I will share it with you guys in a couple days from now. So, well, maybe a little bit longer than that. We'll see. Maybe I need to test this out a little longer. We'll see what happens. But if you guys haven't already, do me one big favor. Hit that like button, the subscribe button, all the buttons down below.